Good morning, everyone. Today we will study chapter 11 of English literature, that is Abraham Lincoln's beard. So, in this chapter, we will study about most famous personality, that is Abraham Lincoln, and a girl named Grace Biddle. So, a little girl, Grace Biddle, saw the picture of a man on her table. She was greatly impressed by the thin, handsome man in the picture, and that man in the picture was Abraham Lincoln. He was fighting the election for the president of the United States, that is America. In the picture, his cheeks were hollow and his face was thin. So she wrote a letter to him, to Abraham Lincoln, and requested him to grow a beard. She said that women like beards, especially on a thin face. She had a feeling that with a beard he would be able to get more votes and chances of winning the election would increase. So Grace Biddle thought that after Abraham Lincoln's will grew beard, so the chances of winning the election would be increased. So Abraham Lincoln did not want to break the heart of this little girl. He therefore grew a beard. So when Abraham Lincoln read that letter, so he did not want to hurt her feelings, so he grew the beard. On February 16 of the next year, a train stopped at Westfield railway station. The new president Abraham Lincoln was traveling by this train. So on next year, 16 February, the Abraham Lincoln was chosen as the president of the United States, and he was traveling by train to the Westfield railway station. A huge crowd waited to greet him at the railway station. Grace Biddle was also there at the platform with her father. So Grace Biddle, that little girl who wrote a letter to Abraham Lincoln, was also waiting for Abraham Lincoln at the Westfield railway station. So Lincoln waved to the crowd. He greeted the crowd when the train stopped, and everyone shouted, "Welcome, welcome to the Westfield." "I have a little friend in this town," said the president. So actually, Abraham Lincoln traveled to Westfield because of that little girl only, and he said that to the crowd also that "I have a little friend in this town. I have come to meet her." Some inquired what's her name. सबने पूछा उसका नाम क्या है. "Her name is Grace," said Lincoln. "Grace Biddle." So he spoke out her name, and her name was Grace Biddle. "Last year she wrote to me and requested me to grow a beard," and he told everyone that last year Grace Biddle wrote a letter to him and requested him to grow a beard. So all the people laughed. Her father took Grace to the president. Lincoln picked her up lovingly and kissed both her cheeks. So everyone started laughing, and her father, Grace Biddle's father, took Grace to the Lincoln, and suddenly President Lincoln picked her up lovingly and kissed both her cheeks. Grace looked at his face. She had a contented smile and laughed happily. So Grace was having a satisfied smile, and she was laughing very happy. There was a beard on Lincoln's face. So Lincoln said, "You see, my child, you wanted it and I grew a beard for you." So Lincoln said in the end, "See, my child, that you wanted me to grow a beard, and that's I have done for you." So this was a chapter, Abraham Lincoln's beard. I hope you understand, class. Thank you. Have a nice day.